Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. We are going to today analyze the Hindu newspaper for 23rd April 2020. आज हम 23rd April 2020 का The Hindu newspaper analyze करने वाले हैं. The PDF of the classes are available on my Telegram channel Simplifying UPSC with Ease, and also the important videos, important lectures, important notifications regarding my Unacademy Plus special free live classes are also posted on my Telegram channel. Link is given below in the description box. जितने भी important free plus courses मैं Unacademy पे लेती हूँ वो सब नीचे Telegram channel पे उसके notifications आते रहते हैं, जिसका link description box में दिया गया है. नाम है Simplifying UPSC with Ease. Here's a small announcement. I am taking practice course on GS through MCQs. So far we have completed 4 classes. In this course we are solving and revising the MCQs based on different subjects in UPSC: polity, environment, Indian economy, Indian history, geography, current affairs, science and tech, etc. You can subscribe to Unacademy Plus and get 10% discount by using my referral code Sharma20. मेरा रेफरल कोड Sharma20 यूज करके आप Unacademy Plus पर सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं और क्लासेस ले सकते हैं. Also, tomorrow I'm going to take a live free special class on Unacademy Plus, how to read and make notes from the newspaper for UPSC CSE. The link is given below in the description box. You can enroll in the course, you can register in the course. कल मैं शाम को 4 बजे tomorrow in the evening at 4 PM I'm going to take this class, how to read and make notes from newspaper, either the Hindu or the Indian Express. Now let's start with this question. Which of the following have been given GI tags? Banginapalli mangoes, Bangalore blue grape, Nirmal toys and craft. You have 5 seconds time to answer this question. Correct answer is B. That is, all of the above have been given the GI tags. Next question. Which of the following statements are correct? The nutrient-based subsidy scheme was introduced in 2010 to deregulate subsidy on non-urea fertilizers and to reduce subsidy burden substantially. Second, under the NBS policy, government announces a fixed rate of subsidy on each nutrient of phosphatic and potassic fertilizers, namely nitrogen, phosphate, potash and sulfur on an annual basis. Third, scheme is implemented by Ministry of Agriculture and subsidy amount is approved by Ministry of Finance. Fourth, recently inclusion of complex fertilizer known as ammonium phosphate has been approved. Which statement is correct? Correct answer is D. That is, statement 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Statement 3rd is wrong. It is not approved by Ministry of Finance. Department of Fertilizer is involved. Okay. Now the first news: attacks on health workers to attack up to 7 years in prison. So Union Cabinet has approved the promulgation of an ordinance to amend Epidemic Disease Act 1897. Epidemic Disease Act 1897 को amend करने का promulgation pass कर दिया गया है. In the backdrop of public venting of anger against healthcare service personnel leading to harassment, assault and damage to property, the Union Cabinet has approved the promulgation of an ordinance to amend Epidemics Disease Act 1897. आप देख रहे हैं बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं जो उनकी जान बचाने जा रहा है उन लोगों को ही हर्ट कर रहे हैं. There are many such uneducated people who are hurting the doctors, the healthcare workers, even the educated people. They are also doing the same. पढ़े लिखे गवार जिनको हम कहते हैं, जो उनकी हेल्प करने जा रहा है उन्हीं को मारा जा रहा है. Right? They are trying to throw stones at them. They are trying to hurl abuses at them. COVID-19 outbreak has posed a unique situation where harassment of healthcare workforce and other working to contain the spread of disease has been taking place at all fronts. The objective of this amendment, of this ordinance, to pass this amendment is, the ordinance is being promulgated to protect healthcare service personnel and property. The ordinance is intended to ensure zero tolerance to any form of violence against the healthcare service provider. The ordinance also aims at making acts of violence against medical staff as a non-bailable offence. It seeks to provide compensation for injury to healthcare personnel or for damage or loss to property. The ordinance is being promulgated in order to protect holistically the healthcare service personnel, their property, their living premises, their working premises against the violence. The punishment for such attacks will be 3 months to 5 years and the fine will be 50,000 to 2 lakh. In severe cases where there are grievous injuries, the punishment will be 6 months to 7 years and fine will be of 1 lakh to 5 lakh. You have to remember the amount and the number of you can say prison punishment, number of years of prison punishment which will be given. MGR Medical University makes vaccine candidate. So basically Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University has developed a vaccine candidate, that means a test vaccine against SARS-CoV-2 through reverse vaccinology. रिवर्स वैक्सीनोलॉजी का उपयोग करके डॉक्टर एमजीआर मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी जो तमिलनाडु में है उसने एक वैक्सीन तैयार किया है. अभी ये फुल फ्लेजेड वैक्सीन नहीं है, दिस इज नॉट अ फुल फ्लेजेड वैक्सीन, it is just an you can say experimental vaccine which has been developed. It uses reverse vaccinology. ये reverse vaccinology use करता है. Reverse vaccinology is an improvement on vaccinology that employs bioinformatics. It is the name given to examination of genome of an organism in order to verify novel antigens and epitopes that might constitute vaccine candidates. बेसिकली ये है क्या? ये एक टेक्निक है जिसमें प्रोटीन्स को आइडेंटिफाई किया जाएगा. किस तरीके के प्रोटीन्स? What type of proteins will be identified using this technique? Those proteins that are exposed on the surface by using genome instead of microorganism. Okay, so basically first phase of this technology, this vaccine is under development right now. So reverse vaccinology is important for your prelims. Next important news is lockdown hits harvest sale of Jagtial mangoes. The Benishan or Bangnapali variety of mangoes, it is widely grown in Jagtial district of Telangana. So you have to remember the state in which it is grown. इसको GI tag भी दिया गया. It has been given the GI tag. Always remember. It is marketed as Jagtial mango, Telangana. In Delhi, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Lucknow, Gwalior and Srinagar also these mangoes are very popular because of their quality, taste and long shelf life. So they are more in demand. है basically तेलंगाना के, बट यहाँ पर दिल्ली, चंडीगढ़, अहमदाबाद, कोलकाता, लखनऊ, ग्वालियर, श्रीनगर में बेचे जाते हैं ना, तो जगतियाल मैंगो के नाम से बेचे जाते हैं. डिमांड में भी बहुत हाई डिमांड चलती है इनकी. Jagtial mangoes arrive late into the market after the first week of April. They have less water content and more shelf life. So that is why they are in demand, more demand in the export market. Today you have to study these two editorials, Exploiting a Pandemic and Time for Planetary Solidarity. ये जो आपको एडिटोरियल्स है पीडीएफ में मिल जाएंगे, ये आपको खुद से पढ़ने हैं. सेल्फ एनालिसिस यू हैव टू डू. Next important news, no 100% quota for tribal teachers, says Supreme Court. Very important news for GS paper 2. The 5-judge constitution bench of Supreme Court has held unconstitutional to provide 100% reservation for tribal teachers in schools located in scheduled area. अब सुप्रीम कोर्ट के एक 5-जज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेंच ने, संवैधानिक पीठ ने ये कहा है कि 100% रिजर्वेशन ट्राइबल टीचर्स को दिया जाता है ना स्केड्यूल्ड एरियाज के स्कूल में, वो अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है. The 5-judge bench was answering a reference made to it in 2016. The reference was whether 100% reservation is permissible under constitution or not. But the Supreme Court bench has said no, it is unconstitutional. The court held that 100% reservation is discriminatory. 100% reservation देना discriminatory होगा, तो हम इसे permit नहीं करेंगे. The court referred to Indra Shawne judgment which caps reservation at 50%. जब इंदिरा शॉनी जजमेंट के बाद हमने रिजर्वेशन पे 50% का कैप लगा दिया था, तो उसको 100% कैसे कर सकते हैं? That is unconstitutional. The judgment by the bench led by Justice Arun Mishra said it was an obnoxious idea to have only tribals teach tribals. It's an obnoxious idea that tribals only should teach the tribals when there are other local residents also. Why they cannot teach? Right? Why they cannot participate in teaching? That is bad. सिर्फ ट्राइबल से ट्राइबल्स को पढ़ाएं, ये तो बहुत गलत बात हो जाएगी. औरों को मौका देना चाहिए ना, नॉलेज तो हर तरीके जगह से आनी चाहिए. Citizens have equal rights. Providing 100% reservation is obnoxious. It is improper, not constitutional. Next important news, center state can fix sugarcane price, says Supreme Court. Constitution bench of Supreme Court has held that both central and state government have the power to fix the price of sugarcane under concurrent list. Now this is important for prelims. ये prelims के लिए important है. First of all, sugarcane will come under concurrent list, that you have to remember. पहली बात तो sugarcane जो है concurrent list में आती है, ये याद रखना. और state और central government दोनों को इजाजत है कि वो price fix कर सकती है sugarcane पे. ठीक है? Here in this particular news, the case revolved around a petition which was filed by Western Uttar Pradesh Sugar Mills Association. They were questioning if state had the power to fix a minimum price when a similar price had already been set by central legislation. Noting that both center and states have concurrent powers on subject, Constitution Bench said that the latter were free to fix sugarcane price. That is, the states can fix sugarcane price higher than the minimum price fixed by the center. यानी कि स्टेट को परमिशन है कि सेंटर ने जो प्राइस फिक्स किया है शुगरकेन पे, गन्ने पर, उससे थोड़ा सा हायर प्राइस स्टेट्स हैं वो फिक्स कर सकती हैं. क्लियर एवरीवन? Center cuts non-urea fertilizer subsidy. The center has cut the subsidy for non-urea fertilizers this year. This is important for 2020 prelims only. ये 2020 के prelims के लिए important है. ठीक है, सेंटर ने जो सब्सिडी है नॉन यूरिया फर्टिलाइजर्स पे उसे कट कर दिया है, उसे डाउनग्रेड कर दिया है. क्लियर एवरीवन? Lockdown leaves Bihar's lychee growers in the lurch. The prolonged lockdown to contain COVID-19 has put Bihar's more than 45,000 lychee farmers in a bind as they stare at imminent losses amounting to almost 1,000 crore this year. Bihar, especially Muzaffarpur district, accounts for almost 40% of total lychee production in the country. This statement is important for your prelims. ये statement आपके prelims के लिए जरूरी है. Which state accounts for almost 40% of the total lychee production in the country? It is Bihar. Okay, so this information which I have highlighted is important. Now answer question number 3. Consider the following statements. Both central and state government have power to fix the price of sugarcane under concurrent list. Center has complete authority to set statutory minimum price for sugarcane. States cannot fix sugarcane price higher than statutory minimum price fixed by center. Which statement is incorrect? आपको बताना है कौन सी incorrect है statement, गलत statement कौन सी है. And next question is on reverse vaccinology. Consider the following statements with respect to reverse vaccinology. It is the technique of identifying proteins that are exposed on the surface by using genome instead of microorganism. Reverse vaccinology employs bioinformatics. It has been used on several bacterial vaccines. Which statement is correct? कौन सी statement correct है? Correct answer to both these questions are question number 3. Correct answer is A. That is only statement 3 is incorrect. States can fix sugarcane price higher than statutory minimum price fixed by center. And question number 4. Correct statement is all of the above. सभी statements correct हैं. Okay. So this was all for 23rd April 2020. Soon we are going to upload the analysis for 24th April as soon as the net connection improves. Okay. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.